In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. For some personal reasons, you may wish to delete your Facebook account. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On the Menus page, tap right here on Settings and Privacy. Then select the option of Settings. On your Settings page, tap on the first option of Account Center. In the section of Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Then click on the very last option of Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Select your account and mark on this option of Delete Account. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, Messenger, and all messages will also be deleted. If you wish to just have a break, just mark right here on Deactivate Account. Your account will temporarily get deleted, and you can reactivate anytime you just log in. That's how easy it is to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.